A lot of his ideas really cause people to rethink, how do we interpret data?
There are many standard tools that people use all the time that are named after David. Blackwell spaces and the Rao-Blackwell theorem.
Blackwell nowadays is known for what's called the Blackwell-Rao theorem. Sort of like saying if something happens frequently enough, you should be able to kind of predict what's going to happen next. However, there might be some bias in some of that data. That's essentially what the Blackwell-Rao theorem tells you, is that there's a way you can kind of estimate what should happen, but then minimize the bias that you would have there in the data. And this is an amazing approach to doing statistics. If Blackwell were alive today, he would certainly be the one to raise up his hand and say, look, there's bias in the eye, there's bias in the training data that we're using, and we really need to think about minimizing these as more and more people use these models.
I was very clear